Hi everyone, my name is Wenting and I have been studying in radiation oncology in Ansi College for 2 years. Our job is to plan the radiation treatment of cancer patients by following the prescription of a radiation oncologist. As a technologist, we have to know how to calculate the dose that patients will receive by using specialized softwares, and then administer the treatment with specialized equipment. Since most of the equipment and softwares are using English as their working language, it is very important to know how to use these field-related words in English. If you are under the same condition as me, here is the best solution: Virtual Writing Tutor. Virtual Writing Tutor is a free online grammar checker who can help us to improve our English in a very easy way. How to find Virtual Writing Tutor? You can type in Virtual Writing Tutor in Google and click Search, or just simply type in virtualwritingtutor.com in the address bar. So here it is. You can see here is a text area in the middle. All you have to do is type in or copy paste your text here, like this. So you can see there are several buttons here, like count words, check spelling, check grammar. So let's try check grammar. So all the errors are listed below the text area. We can scroll down and check the correction suggestions. Furthermore, if you want to know how to pronounce this sentence, we can click here. Text to speech.
Dosimetry is important for cancer treatment.
So we know how to pronounce it correctly. But my favorite button is here, check vocabulary. We click here and there are several options. Here is the field-related vocabulary. Let's click it. So let's say show 3 fields of study. Check. There are 3 fields here: nursing, radiation oncology, biology. So what I'm interested in is radiation oncology, so I click here for more information. So there is a vocabulary list here in the radiation oncology. There are a lot of useful vocabularies for us and their definitions. Is that amazing? So what are you waiting for? Let's use Virtual Writing Tutor as our secret weapon to improve our professional English.